So we're going to show off some basic Unix commands. So first we'll show off our print working directory with pwd. This shows off the current directory we're in. Then we can go ahead and use ls. That kind of lists all the other directories, files, what have you in our print working directory. We can do ls-l, which converts it to long, which can show some more interesting stuff that we might want to know, like date it was created, stuff like that. Then we can change our directory, and we can change it to CS478, and now we are in our CS478 directory. We can see that if we do print working directory again, we are currently in this directory. We can do ls to list what's in this directory. I just have a couple of files in here called file1 and file copy. We can see what's in these files by using cat, which displays what is in each file. So file1 currently contains our working directory. That's just what to put in it. And file copy is a copy of that. Say we don't need that copy anymore, we can use rm, which removes a file, and then we type in the file we want to remove, copy, and that get rid of the file. We can see that by typing ls again, and now we see we only have file1 in there. We can make another directory with mkdir. We can call it, we can just call this, since this is lab1, call lab1. And we can see that if we type list, we have lab1 as a directory now. We can go to that directory by simply, we could change it to the full directory, or we could just use 2 dots, which takes us a level up. You can see our print working directory. Oh, excuse me, that's a level down. So we can go cd, and then we can go to our CS478, and then from there we can go into our lab1, and now we are in our lab1, pwd to print working directory. You can see that we are definitely in our lab1, and we could take this working directory, say we want to save it for future use. We can output it with this symbol to a file1 in here. And if we do list again, we can see that we have file1, the cat again with file1. We can see that we are in, it has this directory in it. We can use copy to copy file1 to file, call file2 to be simple, list again, and file2, cat again to show off that what is in file2. We can see that file2 is a copy of file1. And then another basic command to show is we could just stop this terminal by simply typing exit. And that will end our current session. And that was some basic commands with Unix.